Okay, again, module 6, case problem 1. Let's continue with step 13. Step 13. Add a freeze pane, E5, right? View, freeze panes. Right, that was step 13. Step 14, going to go back to inventory. There you go. Then clear the filter. So I'm going to clear the filter so that we can go back to the original. So I'm going to click clear. Step 15 now. We're going to insert slicer. Okay. So to create a slicer, make sure you're in the table design for this particular table. And there's a slicer, insert slicer. And we're going to select warehouse, bins, warehouse, and bin. There you go, those two. Then we're going to move to report. So here we go. Report. All right. Then we'll apply warehouse slicer to A4, A7. A4, A7, something like that. But with the columns, it means horizontally. So make sure in the slicer option so that we can show 4 columns, right? Same thing with the other slicer. I'm going to place something like that, 16 and 3 columns this time, like that. Right, so that was step 15. And over here, we're going to complete those following areas. Inventory values, so D5. Here, we're going to use the subtotal function. Okay, subtotal function will return a particular calculation based on arrangement of those fields. In this case, inventory table. Inventory table, we have those how many columns? So many columns. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna select particular calculation, then you select a particular field, particular column, then it'll calculate, those calculations for particular column you selected. So let's just try that. Here we go, subtotals. And it'll give you the syntax, right? So then all you do is just select which calculation you want to do. If you just click or select number 1, it'll calculate average. If you click number 2, count, so forth. So we're going to calculate count A function, which is number 3. So I'm going to just select count A, followed by comma. Then you're going to select the particular column that you're going to calculate. In this example, almost that. Part ID, right? Part ID. This guy, right? Is that it? Then press enter. There you go. 533. So basically you count number of items for part ID. Then D6, we're going to use the same subtotal, but this time we're going to do sum for stock quantity. Okay, so I'm going to apply subtotal, and this time sum. So sum is at number 9, comma, move to inventory. Then you're going to select stock quantity right here. Select L, press enter. Now next page we have subtotal for oops, went too fast. Sum number 9 with inventory value. Then D8 subtotal sum restock indicator. Column K. D9s. D9 we will calculate difference between D5 D8. So equals D5 minus D8, which is 8,253. That's quantity in stock minus items to restock. Okay. D10, another subtotal. Sum. The column we're going to select restock costs. All right. And step 17, you're going to insert pie chart. I'm sure you can do it, pie chart. And remove the chart title and all that. That's the formatting, the pie chart. I'm sure you can do that part as well. So if you have any questions, let me know.